What if you could create your own 3D animated movie, even if you have zero knowledge of 3D or animation? In this AI tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own custom 3D character and then convert any existing video into a 3D animation with just a few clicks. It's a full step-by-step guide, and if you're a lover of AI and a fan of tutorials like this, please like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Now, let's get started. DeepMotion Sign Up. So, first things first, you'll need to go to the DeepMotion website. The first thing we're going to do is sign up for an account. I'm going to click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can sign up using your email account, so I'll go ahead and do that now. And I'll give it a password. Great, the sign up was successful. Now I'll go ahead and log in and then click on Go to Portal. Avatar Creation. Amazing! Now it's time to start creating our model. Click on 3D Models over here. We're going to use this particular one, Ready Player Me, for stylish avatars. So I'll click on that. Good. We can select any of these available avatars. You can go through them and select one that you find appropriate. As you can see, you can change basically everything. You can go through and customize it however you want. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just go ahead and click Next. I'll click Continue without sign up, and I'll give my model a name, BizWiz, something like that. Good, the avatar is done generating. Now, with my avatar selected, I simply have to click on Create Animation. I can select or drop any video here, and the AI avatar will mimic that motion. I'm going to upload a video I have of a lady running. Okay, once it's uploaded, come down here to customize some settings. First, under the MP4 Render Settings tab, we'll change the background. Select Solid and choose a green color. This creates a green screen, so you can easily change the background in post-production. All right, good. You also have to make sure the cinematic camera mode is selected. You can leave the other settings, like hand tracking, as they are. When you're ready, click Create Animation. The animation will now start generating. Let's give it a moment. Export and Canva background. The 3D animation has been created successfully. I just have to click the Download button here, select MP4 as the format, and click Download. Good. So now I'm going to create a background for this particular video. For this, I'm going to use Canva. I'll open my Canva app. All right, so once the Canva app is open, look for the video option and select it to create a new video project. Good. Now I'll go to the Elements tab and search for an animation background. You can go through the available backgrounds and select one you prefer. All right, this is the background I'm going to use. I'll add it to the scene, and I'll lock the background. This is the one I'm going to use for the video. So, I'll just go ahead and download this onto my device. I'll select MP4 and the highest quality, and then click Download. Good, so that is saved. Compositing in CapCut. Now we are going to stitch everything together using CapCut. I'll open the CapCut app. Okay, and I'm going to import the video. I'll select the background first. I'll import the background. Okay, so this is the background over here. Next, I'll click on Overlay and Add Overlay. And I'll select the 3D animation with the green screen that we created. Good, so here we have it. I'll zoom in a bit to position it. Now I have to remove the background. I'll look for the Remove BG tool and select Chroma key. I'll use the color picker to select the green part. And you see, bam! Okay, so let's play it and see. I can trim the background clip to fit the animation. You could also adjust the speed of the character's movement a bit. Let me check. No, I'll go with the normal one that I used. Good, so I'll go ahead and export it. You can export in 4K or 1080p. I think this is okay, so I'll go ahead and click Export. Check out the final result next. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Watch the other videos on this channel, and don't forget to tell someone about Big Wiz Media.